Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for prep class. Dear students, today we will start our math textbook. Inshallah, we will study some pages of this book. Okay, are you ready? Yes, good. After watching this video, you will be able to count the objects and write the numbers, write the names of the numbers. Okay, let's get started our lesson. Yes, this is the page of your book, page number 3. First, we read this instruction. Count the number of buttons on the snowman shown below. Trace the numerals and write their number names in the boxes. Again read. Count the number of buttons on the snowman shown below. Trace the numerals and write their number names in the boxes. Again read. Count the number of buttons on the snowman shown below. Trace the numerals and write their number names in the boxes. Yes, dear student, in this question you have to count the number of buttons and then you have to trace the numerals. They are the numerals, okay? They are also called digits. And you have to write the names of these digits in these boxes, okay? First, where are the buttons? We have to find where are the buttons. Can you see button here? Yes. Now I show you a big picture of a snowman. Okay. Yes. This is a big picture for you. Yes, dear student. Here you can see any button. There are two eyes. But you know, there is no button. There is no button. When nothing, and you know, zero means nothing. When we don't have anything, it means we have zero. Okay? You can see here, there is no button. You have to trace zero. Because zero button, no button. And you have to write here zero. Z-E-R-O. What's the spelling of zero? Z-E-R-O. Yes, like this. Can you do? Okay. Now comes to next snowman. Yes. In this snowman, you can see this button. Okay. And how many buttons? Only one button. Okay. Trace this one and write here one. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. Yes. Now comes to next picture of a snowman. How many buttons? Yes, are there? How many buttons are there? 1, 2. There are 2 buttons you can see in this picture. 1, 2. 1, 2. You have to trace this 2, okay, and write here T-W-O-2, okay, like this. T-W-O-2. Now the last picture of this page. Yes, count the number of buttons. Hurry up, count. Where are the buttons? They are buttons. They are button. No. They are the buttons. No. Yes, they are the buttons. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You have to trace this 3 and write here 3. Very simple. Okay. Like this. T-H-R-E-E. 3. I hope you will do this question. Inshallah. Now comes to next question. At page number 4, count and write the numbers. Very easy. Count and write the numbers. Read this instruction. Count and write the numbers. Count and write the numbers. Count and write the numbers. Okay. There are many things you can see in this picture. There are a lot of objects here. Okay. House, flag, leaf, chicken, okay, chicks, flowers, sun, fish, ball, cap, ice cream cone, okay. But I'll show you a big picture of these objects so that you can solve this question easily. Yes, count and write the numbers. How many houses are there? You can see in this picture. How many houses? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Count 1, 2, 3. You have to write here 3. Very easy. Like this. I'm going to write. Okay, see. Oh, my writing is not good here. Okay, but acceptable. Okay, now comes to next. Yes, number of flags. One, two, three, four, five, six. There are six flags. Okay, yes, right. Hmm. Yes, like this. Okay. Yes, how many leaves are there? Count. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. 8. Okay. Now you write here. Okay. Now comes to next. One, two, three, four, five. Fish. Do you eat fish? I love eating fish. One, two, three, four, five. How many fish are there? 5 fish. Now comes to next. Oh, only one sun. Yes. Oh, sun. Okay. Right here. 1. Flowers. One, two, three, four. 4 flowers. Okay. Next. Chicks. Yes. One, two. 1, 2. You have to write here 2. Oh, boys love balls. They play ball. They play cricket. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 balls. You have to write here 10. Okay. Cap. Do you wear caps? Cap saves you from sunlight. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many caps? 7 caps. You have to write here 7. Next. Oh, I love eating ice cream. Do you love? Do you love eating ice creams? Oh, in summer season, we like eating ice creams. Don't you? Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 ice cream. Okay. Here this question has been completed. Yes, the last question at page number 5. Fun with colors. Do you like drawing? Oh, do you like drawing? Read the colors against the numbers. Yes, read the colors against the numbers and color the fish accordingly. Yes, I'll show you a big picture. Yes, like this. Fun with colors. Read. First read this instruction. Read the colors against the numbers and color the fish accordingly. Read the colors against the numbers and color the fish accordingly. Yes, children, you can see here numbers. Okay, and it's the name of color red, and you can see here red. Okay, now 1 6 red color, 3 8 yellow color, 5 10 black color, 2 7 green color, 4 9 orange color. It means you will see some fish. Okay, yes. Now see, one, this is one fish and this is number 6 fish. Okay, and what color will you do in these fish? Red color. Yes, you have to color fish 1 and fish 6 with red. Okay, 1 and 6 you have to do red color. Okay, then 3 and 8, 2 and 7, 2 and 7 green color. Okay, where is the number 2 fish? Yes, this is the number 2 fish. And where is the number 7 fish? Yes, very long big fish, number 7. Okay, now number 2 and 7, which color do you do? Yes, green color. You have to do green color in these fish, number 2 and number 7. Okay, now 3 and 8, where are the number 3 fish? This one, number 3. And where is the number 8 fish? Yes, this is the number 8 fish. And which color? Yes, you have to pick yellow color and do the color yellow in both fish. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, but you have to choose the color carefully. Okay, now dear students, here today's lesson has been completed. Take care. Okay, now I want to talk to your parents. Okay, guidelines for parents. Number one, make sure that the child can count the objects and tell the number. इस बात को यकीनी बनाएं कि बच्चा चीज़ों को काउंट कर सके और नंबर फिर आपको बता सके. आप घर में प्रैक्टिकल कर सकते हैं, कुछ चीज़ें उसके सामने रख दें, उससे काउंट करवाएं और उससे पूछें. ठीक है, तो वो आपको बताएगा कि कितने नंबर्स हैं. नंबर टू, आस्क द चाइल्ड टू डू ऑल दीज पेजेस 3, 4 एंड 5. बच्चे से कहें कि ये तीनों पेजेस 3, 4, 5 को वो अपनी कॉपी बुक में करें. हेल्प द चाइल्ड टू कलर इन द फिश. कलर करते हुए बच्चे को ख़ास तौर पे उसकी हेल्प आउट कर दें उसको कलर करते हुए. नंबर 4, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द नंबर्स शुड बी करेक्ट व्हाइल राइटिंग. लिखते हुए नंबर्स की जो फॉर्मेशन होगी वो ठीक होनी चाहिए, उसका आपने ख़ास ख्याल रखना है. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. जज़ाकल्लाह. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.